Objective test. Maximum marks 100. Each question carry 1 mark. 100 MCQs for CBSE Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations, based fully on the NCERT textbook. These questions are designed to be student-friendly and exam-ready. Pause and keep giving your responses in the comment box after each question. Let's start. Good luck. Small diamond MCQs 1 to 25. 1. Which of the following is a chemical change? A. Melting of ice. B. Boiling of water. C. Burning of candle. D. Breaking of glass. 2. What type of chemical reaction takes place when quicklime reacts with water? A. Endothermic reaction. B. Decomposition reaction. C. Exothermic reaction. D. Displacement reaction. 3. Which gas is evolved when zinc granules react with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. 4. The reaction between iron and copper sulfate is a combination reaction. B. Decomposition reaction. C. Double displacement reaction. D. Displacement reaction. 5. The brown color of copper sulfate fades when iron is added because A. Copper evaporates. B. Iron gets oxidized. C. Iron displaces copper. D. Copper forms rust. 6. Which one is not a physical change? A. Ice melting. B. Water boiling. C. Iron rusting. D. Dissolving sugar in water. 7. What is the product formed when magnesium burns in air? A. Mg. B. MgO. C. MgCO. D. MgH. 8. In which reaction does a white precipitate of barium sulfate form? A. Buccal plus NaSO right pointing arrow. B. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow. C. Fe plus QZO right pointing arrow. D. Na plus Cl right pointing arrow. 9. Two elements combine to form a compound. This is an example of A. Combination reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Double displacement reaction. D. Redox reaction. 10. Which one is a displacement reaction? A. Kako right pointing arrow Cow plus CO. B. Zinc plus QZO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. C. Agno plus Nakal right pointing arrow AgCl plus Nano. D. No plus HCl right pointing arrow Nakal plus HO. 11. What type of reaction is this? 2 FeSO right pointing arrow FeO plus SO plus SO. A. Combination. B. Displacement. C. Decomposition. D. Double displacement. 12. The reaction in which heat is released is A. Endothermic. B. Exothermic. C. Neutralization. D. Physical. 13. What is the correct reaction of zinc with dilute sulfuric acid? A. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZNO plus H. B. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H. C. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZnS plus H. D. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZnH plus SO. 14. Which of the following is a redox reaction? A. Zinc plus QZO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. B. H plus Cl right pointing arrow to HCl. C. 2 petabits, no, right pointing arrow to PbO plus 4 NO plus O. D. All of these. 15. Which substance is oxidized in the reaction zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H? A. Zinc. B. HCl. C. ZnCl. D. H. 16. When silver chloride is kept in sunlight, it turns A. Black. B. Green. C. Red. D. Yellow. 17. The chemical change in silver chloride in sunlight is called A. Decomposition. B. Combination. C. Displacement. D. Double displacement. 18. Which of the following reactions is endothermic? A. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO. B. Photosynthesis. C. Combustion of fuel. D. Neutralization. 19. Rusting of iron is A. Decomposition reaction. B. Combination reaction. C. Displacement reaction. D. Physical change. 20. In the reaction 2KClO right pointing arrow 2KCl plus 3O, the product oxygen is A. Oxidized. B. Reduced. C. A. Precipitate. D. A. Gas. 21. Electrolysis of water is an example of A. Combination. B. Displacement. C. Decomposition. D. Double displacement. 22. Which is the correct balanced chemical reaction for magnesium and oxygen? A. Mg plus O right pointing arrow MgO. B. 2 megagrams plus O right pointing arrow 2 MgO. C. Mg plus O right pointing arrow MgO. D. 2 megagrams plus O right pointing arrow 2 MgO. 23. The color of ferrous sulfate crystals is A. Blue. B. Green. C. White. D. Pink. 24. When lead nitrate is heated, it gives A. No gas. B. O gas. C. Yellow solid. D. All of these. 25. A student added dilute HCl to zinc granules. What is observed? A. No reaction. B. Evolution of brown gas. C. Evolution of hydrogen gas. D. Formation of a yellow solid. Here are the next set of MCQs 26 to 50 for CBSE Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Small diamond MCQs 26 to 50. 26. The equation Na plus HO right pointing arrow No plus H represents which type of reaction? A. Displacement. B. Double displacement. C. Combination. D. Neutralization. 27. In the above reaction, the gas released is A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. 28. In a redox reaction, A. Only oxidation occurs. B. Only reduction occurs. C. Both oxidation and reduction occur. D. No change in oxidation state. 29. Which one is a balanced chemical reaction? A. H plus Cl right pointing arrow HCl. B. 2H plus O right pointing arrow 2HO. C. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. D. Mg plus O right pointing arrow MgO. 30. When CO is passed through lime water, it turns A. Red. B. Milky. C. Blue. D. Yellow. 31. Which of the following represents a decomposition reaction? A. Zinc plus QZO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. B. Kako right pointing arrow Cow plus CO. C. No plus HCl right pointing arrow Nakal plus HO. D. Fe plus HO right pointing arrow FeO plus H. 32. Which of these is a combination reaction? A. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO. B. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. C. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano. D. Pb, no, right pointing arrow PbO plus no plus O. 33. The reaction between NaSO and Buccal results in the formation of A gas, B. A precipitate, C. A neutral salt, D. An acid. 34. What is the precipitate formed in the above reaction? A. Nacl, B. Buso, C. HCl, D. HSO. 35. The process of rusting involves A. Only water, B. Only oxygen, C. Oxygen and water, D. Nitrogen and water. 36. Corrosion of copper results in A. Brown flaky layer, B. Green coating, C. White coating, D. Black powder. 37. The green coating on copper is due to A. Copper hydroxide, B. Copper oxide, C. Copper carbonate, D. Basic copper carbonate. 38. The chemical reaction for rusting of iron is A. Fe plus O right pointing arrow FeO, B. Fe plus HO plus O right pointing arrow FeOXHO, C. Fe plus CO right pointing arrow FeCO, D. Fe plus H right pointing arrow Fe. 39. Which of the following is not a redox reaction? A. H plus Cl right pointing arrow to HCl, B. Zinc plus Cuso right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu, C. Caco right pointing arrow Cow plus Co, D. 2 petabits, no, right pointing arrow 2 PbO plus 4 NO plus O. 40. Which gas is released when lead nitrate is heated? A. Hydrogen, B. Nitrogen dioxide, C. Carbon monoxide, D. Chlorine. 41. What is observed when copper powder is heated in a china dish? A. Turns white, B. Becomes green, C. Turns black, D. Becomes liquid. 42. In the above reaction, copper reacts with A. Hydrogen, B. Water, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Oxygen. 43. The black coating formed on heating copper powder is A. QO, B. QCO, C. Cul, D. Cuso. 44. Identify the displacement reaction. A. No plus HCl right pointing arrow Nacl plus HO, B. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO, C. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H, D. 2 AgCl right pointing arrow 2 Ag plus Cl. 45. Which reaction is a thermal decomposition reaction? A. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO, B. Zinc plus Cuso right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu, C. 2 petabits, no, right pointing arrow 2 PbO plus 4 NO plus O, D. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano. 46. Which chemical reaction is used in black and white photography? A. 2AgBr right pointing arrow 2 Ag plus bridge, B. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano, C. Zinc plus HSO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H, D. No plus HCl right pointing arrow Nacl plus HO. 47. The brown gas evolved when lead nitrate is heated is A. CO. B. No. C. O. D. So. 48. 2Fe plus 3Cl right pointing arrow 2 Fecal is an example of A. Displacement reaction. B. Combination reaction. C. Double displacement. D. Thermal decomposition. 49. In the reaction Ca-Co right pointing arrow Cow plus CO, calcium carbonate is A. Oxidized. B. Reduced. C. Decomposed. D. Neutralized. 50. The term oxidation means A. Loss of electrons. B. Gain of electrons. C. Loss of oxygen. D. Gain of hydrogen. Here is the next set, MCQs 51 to 75 for CBSE Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Small diamond MCQs 51 to 75. 51. What happens to blue copper sulfate crystals when heated strongly? A. They melt. B. They turn green. C. They become white. D. They form a black precipitate. 52. The blue color of copper sulfate disappears on heating due to A. Loss of water of crystallization. B. Reaction with oxygen. C. Conversion to QCO. D. Formation of QO. 53. The water released from hydrated salts on heating is called A. Free water. B. Condensation water. C. Water of crystallization. D. Bound water. 54. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a chemical reaction? A. Evolution of gas. B. Change in color. C. Change in temperature. D. Change in shape. 55. Which color change is observed when iron reacts with copper sulfate solution? A. Blue to green. B. Green to blue. C. Blue to red. D. Green to brown. 56. Which reaction represents neutralization? A. Zinc plus H, so right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H. B. HCl plus no right pointing arrow Nacl plus HO. C. Na plus HO right pointing arrow No plus H. D. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus Nano. 57. What is reduced in the reaction? Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. A. Zinc. B. HCl. C. ZnCl. D. None. 58. The gas evolved during the reaction of acids with metals is A. CO. B. O. C. H. D. Cl. 59. Identify the correct pair of redox reaction. A. Zinc plus QSO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. B. 2AgCl right pointing arrow 2Ag plus Cl. C. 2H plus O right pointing arrow 2HO. D. All of these. 60. A chemical equation is balanced to A. Predict the products. B. Show physical states. C. Satisfy the law of conservation of mass. D. Make it look neat. 61. Which of these reactions is an example of corrosion? A. Rusting of iron. B. Fermentation. C. Boiling of water. D. Electrolysis of water. 62. Corrosion of silver turns it A. Brown. B. Black. C. Green. D. Blue. 63. The black layer on silver is A. Ag-S. B. AgCl. C. Agno. D. AgBr. 64. What is the black precipitate formed in double displacement reactions? A. Ag. B. AgCl. C. Ag-O. D. AgBr. 65. In thermal decomposition of Pb, no, the brown gas evolved is A. So. B. No. C. Cl. D. H. 66. What is the correct word reaction for the reaction between iron and copper sulfate? A. Copper plus iron sulfate, right pointing arrow, iron plus copper sulfate. B. Iron plus copper sulfate, right pointing arrow, iron sulfate plus copper. C. Copper sulfate plus iron, right pointing arrow, iron nitrate plus copper. D. Iron plus copper, right pointing arrow, iron copper sulfate. 67. Which of these is an incorrect statement about chemical reactions? A. They involve breaking and making of bonds. B. They always give out light. C. They follow the law of conservation of mass. D. They form new substances. 68. The precipitate formed in the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride is A. White. B. Yellow. C. Green. D. Black. 69. In the reaction, Fe plus HO, right pointing arrow, FeO plus H, the gas evolved is A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. 70. Which element is reduced in the reaction? 2PbO, right pointing arrow, 2 petabits plus O. A. Pb. B. O. C. PbO. D. O. 71. Which of the following is a photochemical decomposition reaction? A. Kako, right pointing arrow, cow plus CO. B. AgCl, right pointing arrow, Ag plus Cl. C. Zinc plus Cuso, right pointing arrow, ZnSO plus Cu. D. Fe plus Cuso, right pointing arrow, FeSO plus Cu. 72. What is the oxidizing agent in the reaction? Zinc plus HSO, right pointing arrow, ZnSO plus H. A. Zinc. B. HSO. C. H. D. So. 73. A reaction where heat is absorbed is called A. Exothermic. B. Endothermic. C. Photochemical. D. Thermal. 74. The change of color of copper sulfate when iron is added is due to A. Formation of a new substance. B. Physical mixing. C. Heating. D. Change of temperature. 75. Which is the correct reaction for the decomposition of calcium carbonate? A. Kako, right pointing arrow, Ca plus Co. B. Kako, right pointing arrow, Cac plus O. C. Kako, right pointing arrow, Cow plus Co. D. Kako, right pointing arrow, Kako plus O. Here is the final set. MCQs 76 to 100 for CBSE Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Small Diamond MCQs 76 to 100. 76. Which of the following is a balanced chemical reaction? A. H plus Cl, right pointing arrow, 2 HCl. B. Zinc plus HCl, right pointing arrow, ZnCl plus H. C. 2 megagrams plus O, right pointing arrow, 2 MgO. D. C plus O, right pointing arrow, CO. 77. When electricity is passed through water, it decomposes into A. H and CO. B. H and O. C. H and O. D. O and H. 78. Which reaction represents the electrolysis of water? A. HO, right pointing arrow, H plus O. B. 2H plus O, right pointing arrow, 2HO. C. HO plus CO, right pointing arrow, HCO. D. HO plus H, right pointing arrow, HO. 79. Which of the following reaction types involves the evolution of heat? A. Endothermic. B. Exothermic. C. Neutralization. D. Photochemical. 80. Which one is a redox reaction? A. Cow plus HO right pointing arrow CaO. B. Zinc plus H so right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H. C. HCl plus no right pointing arrow Nacl plus HO. D. Agno plus Nacl right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano. 81. In the reaction, 2AgCl right pointing arrow to Ag plus Cl, what causes the reaction? A. Heat. B. Sunlight. C. Electricity. D. Pressure. 82. The gas evolved in the photochemical decomposition of AgCl is A. H. B. Cl. C. O. D. No. 83. What is the color of silver chloride before and after exposure to sunlight? A. White to black. B. White to gray. C. White to green. D. White to yellow. 84. What type of reaction is the conversion of AgCl to Ag and Cl? A. Thermal decomposition. B. Combination. C. Photochemical decomposition. D. Double displacement. 85. Which condition is necessary for a chemical reaction to occur? A. Catalyst. B. High temperature. C. Reactants must collide. D. Water. 86. In a redox reaction, the substance that loses electrons is A. Reduced. B. Oxidized. C. Neutral. D. Inert. 87. In a redox reaction, the substance that gains electrons is A. Oxidized. B. Neutral. C. Reduced. D. Inert. 88. Which of the following is a chemical change? A. Melting of ice. B. Boiling of water. C. Burning of paper. D. Dissolving sugar in water. 89. Rust is chemically A. FeO. B. FeOXHO. C. FeO. D. FeO. 90. The balanced form of zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H is A. Zinc plus 2HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. B. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. C. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. D. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. 91. Which of the following shows both oxidation and reduction? A. Co plus H so right pointing arrow QZO plus H. B. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. C. 2PbO right pointing arrow 2 petabits plus O. D. Kako right pointing arrow cow plus CO. 92. Which of the following is not an endothermic reaction? A. Kako right pointing arrow cow plus CO. B. 2AgCl right pointing arrow 2 Ag plus Cl. C. Zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H. D. Electrolysis of water. 93. Which reaction is an example of a combination reaction? A. C plus O right pointing arrow CO. B. HCl plus no right pointing arrow Nacl plus HO. C. Kako right pointing arrow cow plus CO. D. Fe plus QZO right pointing arrow FeSO plus Q. 94. In the reaction zinc plus QZO right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Q, zinc is A. Oxidized. B. Reduced. C. Neutral. D. Precipitated. 95. Which type of reaction is involved in digestion of food? A. Combination. B. Redox. C. Decomposition. D. Displacement. 96. Which type of reaction is involved in photosynthesis? A. Combination. B. Endothermic. C. Photochemical. D. All of these. 97. Heating of ferrous sulfate results in the formation of A. Iron. B. Ferric oxide. C. Ferrous oxide. D. Iron nitrate. 98. Which of the following chemical reactions is used in crackers? A. Decomposition. B. Combination. C. Displacement. D. Redox. 99. A balanced equation satisfies A. Avogadro's law. B. Newton's law. C. Law of conservation of mass. D. Law of gravity. 100. Which of these does not change in a balanced chemical equation? A. Number of molecules. B. Mass of products and reactants. C. Volume of reactants. D. Color of substances. Here are the correct answers with detailed explanations for MCQs 1 to 25 from Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, CBSE Class 10 Science. Checkmark answers and explanations, MCQs 1 to 25. 1. Checkmark B. Chemical reaction. A chemical change involves a chemical reaction where one or more substances are transformed into new substances. 2. Checkmark C. The products formed are entirely new substances. Chemical reactions result in the formation of new substances with new properties. 3. Checkmark C. Fe plus Cuso right pointing arrow Feso plus Cu. Iron displaces copper because it is more reactive than copper. This is a displacement reaction. 4. Checkmark C. Combination reaction. In combination reactions, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. 5. Checkmark B. 2 megagrams plus O right pointing arrow 2 MgO. Two reactants, magnesium and oxygen, combine to form a single product, magnesium oxide, a combination reaction. 6. Checkmark B. Kako right pointing arrow Cow plus CO. This is a thermal decomposition reaction, as calcium carbonate breaks down into simpler substances upon heating. 7. Checkmark B. Decomposition. Breaking down a single compound into simpler substances is a decomposition reaction. 8. Checkmark C. Combination reaction. Magnesium burns in oxygen to form magnesium oxide, a single product from two reactants. 9. Checkmark B. Thermal decomposition. Lead nitrate decomposes upon heating into lead oxide, yellow, No, brown gas, and O. 10. Checkmark C. Displacement reaction. Zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate due to its higher reactivity. 11. Checkmark C. Agno plus Nakal right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano. This reaction leads to the exchange of ions between two reactants forming a precipitate, AgCl, a double displacement reaction. 12. Checkmark B. Precipitation reaction. AgCl is an insoluble salt that precipitates out, hence a precipitation reaction. 13. Checkmark B. Displacement reaction. Zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form hydrogen gas. 14. Checkmark C. Redox reaction. In this reaction, iron is oxidized and copper is reduced, making it a redox reaction. 15. Check mark D, all of these. Color change, heat evolution, and gas formation are all indicators of a chemical reaction. 16. Check mark C, hydrogen. Acids react with metals to release hydrogen gas. 17. Check mark C, AgCl, right pointing arrow, Ag plus Cl. Silver chloride decomposes in the presence of sunlight, a photochemical decomposition reaction. 18. Check mark C, light. AgCl breaks down in sunlight, an example of photodecomposition. 19. Check mark B, white to gray. Silver chloride turns gray when exposed to sunlight due to the formation of metallic silver. 20. Check mark C, redox reaction. Zinc is oxidized, and hydrogen ions from HCl are reduced. This is a redox reaction. 21. Check mark C, 2H plus O, right pointing arrow to HO. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, a combination reaction. 22. Check mark A, law of conservation of mass. Balanced chemical reactions obey the law that mass is neither created nor destroyed. 23. Check mark B, same number of each type of atom. Balancing ensures atoms are conserved on both sides of the reaction. 24. Check mark B, 2Fe plus 3Cl, right pointing arrow to Fecal. This is the balanced chemical reaction for iron and chlorine forming iron 3 chloride. 25. Check mark B, redox reaction. In the electrolysis of water, HO is decomposed and both oxidation and reduction take place, hence a redox reaction. Here are the correct answers with detailed explanations for MCQs 26 to 50 from Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, CBSE Class 10 Science. Checkmark answers and explanations, MCQs 26 to 50. 26. Checkmark B, reactants, right pointing arrow, products. Chemical reactions are generally written with reactants on the left side and products on the right, separated by an arrow. 27. Check mark C, aqueous solution. In a chemical reaction represents an aqueous solution, meaning the substance is dissolved in water. 28. Check mark B, arrow, right pointing arrow. The arrow in a chemical reaction indicates the direction of the reaction, pointing from reactants to products. 29. Check mark B, 2KClO, right pointing arrow to KCl plus 3O. This is the correct balanced decomposition reaction of potassium chlorate upon heating. 30. Check mark A, decomposition reaction. Kako breaks into Ka and CO when heated, a thermal decomposition reaction. 31. Check mark A, 2 petabits, no, right pointing arrow to PbO plus 4 NO plus O. Balanced reaction for thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. 32. Check mark C, HO, right pointing arrow H plus O. Water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen during electrolysis, a decomposition reaction. 33. Check mark C, heat, light, or electricity. Decomposition reactions often require energy input in the form of heat, light, or electricity. 34. Check mark A, Fe plus Qzo, right pointing arrow Feso plus Cu. Iron displaces copper due to being more reactive, a displacement reaction. 35. Check mark B, Fe displaces Cu. Iron is more reactive than copper and displaces it from its salt solution. 36. Check mark C, zinc plus H, so right pointing arrow ZnSO plus H. Zinc displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid, a typical displacement reaction. 37. Check mark C, BuSO. BuSO is an insoluble white precipitate formed when Buccal reacts with HSO, a precipitation reaction. 38. Check mark C, PB, no, plus 2 Ki right pointing arrow PBI plus 2 no. This is a double displacement and precipitation reaction, forming yellow PBI. 39. Check mark C, agno plus knuckle right pointing arrow AgCl plus nano. Double displacement reaction forming AgCl, white precipitate. 40. Check mark C, zinc is oxidized and H is reduced. In zinc plus HCl right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H, zinc loses electrons, oxidized, and H gains electrons, reduced, a redox reaction. 41. Check mark C, zinc right pointing arrow zinc squared plus 2E. This represents the oxidation half reaction of zinc. 42. Check mark B, 2H plus 2E right pointing arrow H. This is the reduction half reaction. Hydrogen ions gain electrons to form H gas. 43. Check mark C, oxidation and reduction. In redox reactions, one substance is oxidized and another is reduced. 44. Check marker, oxidation. Loss of electrons is known as oxidation. 45. Check mark B, reduction. Gain of electrons is defined as reduction. 46. Check marker, decomposition. Breaking down of compound into simpler compounds or elements, decomposition reaction. 47. Check marker, water and carbon dioxide. Burning of hydrocarbons, combustion, gives CO and HO. 48. Check marker, evolution of a gas. Gas evolution is a common indicator of a chemical reaction. 49. Check mark C, white precipitate of AgCl. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride form white precipitate of AgCl, double displacement plus precipitation. 50. Check mark C, displacement. Fe plus Qso right pointing arrow FeSO plus Cu is a displacement reaction. Fe displaces Cu from its salt. Here are the checkmark correct answers with detailed explanations for MCQs 51 to 75 from Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, CBSE Class 10 Science. Checkmark answers and explanations. MCQs 51 to 75. 51. Checkmark C, double displacement. In NaSO plus Buccal right pointing arrow BuSO plus 2 knuckle, there's exchange of ions, a double displacement reaction. 52. Check mark C, oxidation. Rusting of iron is a slow oxidation reaction with moisture and oxygen. 53. Check mark C, decomposition. Breaking down of water into H and O using electricity is electrolytic decomposition. 54. Check mark C, brown fumes. Lead nitrate on heating produces brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, no. 55. Check mark A, PB, no. Lead nitrate decomposes to give PbO, no, and O on heating. 56. Check mark B, 2 petabits, no, right pointing arrow to PbO plus 4 NO plus O. Balanced reaction of thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. 57. Check mark C, white to gray. Silver chloride turns white to gray on exposure to sunlight due to formation of silver. 58. Check mark C. Photochemical decomposition. AgCl decomposes in sunlight, an example of photochemical reaction. 59. Check mark C. Cl. In photodecomposition of AgCl, the gas evolved is chlorine, Cl. 60. Check mark C. Sunlight. Photochemical reactions are driven by light energy, especially sunlight. 61. Check mark B. 2 AgCl right pointing arrow to Ag plus Cl. Balanced chemical reaction for decomposition of silver chloride in sunlight. 62. Check mark C. 2HO right pointing arrow to H plus O. This is the correct balanced equation for electrolysis of water. 63. Check marker, endothermic. Decomposition reactions absorb energy, they are endothermic. 64. Check mark A, heat is absorbed. Endothermic reactions need energy input, typically heat. 65. Check mark B, 2H plus O right pointing arrow to HO. Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, a combination and exothermic reaction. 66. Check mark B, exothermic. Combination reactions often release heat, making them exothermic. 67. Check mark B, CONHO. Burning of hydrocarbons, like fuels, forms carbon dioxide and water. 68. Check marker, combination. C plus O right pointing arrow CO is a combination reaction, one product formed. 69. Check mark C, displacement. Zinc plus Cuso right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Co is a displacement reaction, zinc displaces copper. 70. Check mark D, 2 Fe plus 3Cl right pointing arrow to Fecal. Balanced reaction for combination of iron and chlorine to form iron, 3, chloride. 71. Check marker, decomposition. Breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen is a decomposition reaction. 72. Check mark C, evolution of gas. A clear sign of chemical reaction, like bubbles or effervescence, indicates gas evolution. 73. Check mark C, exothermic reaction. Most combustion reactions are exothermic, they release heat and light. 74. Check mark C, heat is released. In exothermic reactions, energy, usually heat, is given out. 75. Check mark C, rusting of iron. Rusting is a slow chemical change involving oxygen and water over time. Here are the checkmark correct answers with detailed explanations for MCQs 76 to 100 from Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, CBSE Class 10 Science. Checkmark answers and explanations, MCQs 76 to 100. 76. Checkmark C, exothermic. Burning of magnesium ribbon releases heat and light, it's an exothermic reaction. 77. Check mark B, MgO. When magnesium burns in air, it forms magnesium oxide, MgO. 78. Check mark C, 2 megagrams plus O right pointing arrow to MgO. This is the balanced chemical reaction for burning of magnesium. 79. Check marker, evolution of gas. When zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved, indicating a chemical change. 80. Check mark C, hydrogen gas. Zinc plus HCl, right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H, the gas released is hydrogen. 81. Check mark B, it produces heat. Rusting is a slow process and does not produce heat, unlike many other reactions. 82. Check mark C, water. Water acts as a medium for oxygen to react with iron during rusting. 83. Check mark A, 4 Fe plus 3O plus 6 HO, right pointing arrow 4 Fe O. This is the simplified reaction for rusting of iron in the presence of water and oxygen. 84. Check mark B, prevents contact with moisture and air. Galvanizing coating with zinc protects iron from rusting by blocking air and water. 85. Check mark B, both oxidation and reduction take place. In a redox reaction, oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. 86. Check mark C, zinc plus Cuso, right pointing arrow ZnSO plus Cu. Zinc displaces copper, oxidation of zinc, reduction of Cu squared, a redox reaction. 87. Check mark B, zinc is oxidized and Cu squared is reduced. Zinc loses electrons, oxidation, Cu squared gains electrons, reduction. 88. Check mark C, double displacement. Reactions involving exchange of ions between two compounds, like NaSO plus Buccal, right pointing arrow BuSO plus Nacl, are double displacement. 89. Check mark B, white. Silver chloride is white, and darkens upon exposure to sunlight. 90. Check mark C, electrolysis. Water breaks into H and O during electrolysis, a decomposition reaction using electricity. 91. Check marker, change in temperature. Exothermic reactions show an increase in temperature, which is an indicator of a chemical change. 92. Check mark C, double displacement and precipitation. Agno plus Nacl, right pointing arrow AgCl, down pointing arrow plus nano, both double displacement and precipitate, AgCl, are observed. 93. Check mark B, silver. Gray deposit on white, AgCl, is due to metallic silver forming in sunlight. 94. Check mark B, 2 AgCl, right pointing arrow 2 Ag plus Cl. This is the balanced chemical reaction for photodecomposition of silver chloride. 95. Check mark C, it is a redox reaction. Zinc plus HCl, right pointing arrow ZnCl plus H, involves oxidation of zinc and reduction of H, redox. 96. Check mark B, combination reaction. C plus O, right pointing arrow CO, is a combination reaction forming one product. 97. Check mark B, combination. Formation of CaO from Ca and HO is a combination reaction. 98. Check mark C, change in color, temperature, gas formation. All these are key indicators of chemical change. 99. Check mark B, BuSO. BuSO is a white precipitate formed in the reaction between Buccal and NaSO. 100. Check mark C, brown. No gas released during decomposition of Pb, no, is brown in color. Thank you. Now share your final score in comment box. For such exam related videos, like, share, subscribe. Infotainment World _ for you.